Good morning, happy Sunday everybody. So this morning I ran out of our hand soap, so I thought I would just show you guys a really simple, easy way to make really awesome and effective hand soap. So I'm doing this one-handed, which is kind of ridiculous, but all we need is a foamer bottle here. So this is like our foamer bottle, but you don't have to have a foamer bottle. You can do a regular one. I just think that I don't know, it just makes the soap better. It's easier to spread, it's easier to lather, especially for the kids, and the kids like it because it's foamy and fun and super cool. So I use Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. I've been wanting to make my own for a long time, but I just haven't gotten around to it. So I actually buy this by the gallon, and then I just put it in this bottle so that it's easy. Hey Jess! Hey Victoria! So it's just easier to handle. And then I take my On Guard, and this stuff is super potent. You only need a few drops of it. I was using, I want to say like 20 drops or something, but you probably only need 5 or 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going with 10 because I want to be able to smell it. I really like the smell. It's cloves and cinnamon, rosemary, wild orange, eucalyptus. All really yummy things. And this is the protective blend. You can take it internally. As you see, it has a supplement facts there. So, you know, if something crazy goes on and your kids decide that they're going to eat your soap, gross, but it's totally fine because not only is this completely edible, but this is also pretty edible. You can brush your teeth with it. You can wash your hair with it. You can pretty much do anything with it. So that's pretty cool too. The smarter way to do this is to actually add the soap second or last so it doesn't foam up on you. But just to show you, I mean, you don't need that much of it. The more you use, the soapier, obviously, it'll be like thicker when you use it in your pump bottle. But like, you don't really need too much. So I know that, I mean, can you see that there's not that much in there? That's like plenty. And you can kind of toy with that. I want to say make maybe like, I don't know, 2 teaspoons of the Dr. Bronner's or something. I always just kind of wing it. I'm a wing it person. I'm not an exact recipe person, which makes my baked goods really interesting. But I don't know. I just get the plain Castile soap. I like that a lot. There are other brands. I get this one in gallons from the Frontier Co-op, so it's just easy. And then you can add tap water to it, but I don't know about your water. My water gets a little funky. So I either boil my water, which I have water boiling because I have a few of these to fill, or I just get distilled water in a bottle. And don't fill it all the way to the top because look how big this pumper is, right? So if I fill that all the way to the top and I put it in, it sloshes all over the place and it's a pain in the butt. And you just tighten it up, shake it up, and you're good. And still have a little bit in there from last time, but look at the foam! Yay! So anyway, this now smells really nice. It's got a really nice lather. And also the On Guard has really great bug killing properties. And I say bugs because I don't want to get in trouble with the FDA. You know what I'm talking about. But you can use it as a surface cleaner too. And it's, you know, it's really, really, really good at getting rid of the nasties, like in the 90 to 98% area there. So if you're looking for a cleaner, something you can use around, you know, probably pets and kids and anybody who might be sensitive, something that smells nice, something that's super effective and non-toxic, On Guard is a great thing to use to decrease your toxic load and to get the best bang for your buck. Do it. I mean, this whole bottle of On Guard with your wholesale account is $32, I believe, and I used 10 drops, so that's not very much. I believe I paid $2 for this foamer bottle or something like that. I hijacked these from the nursery school a couple of years ago. They were just tossing them out. And I just, you know, rinsed them out, and I use these foamer bottles from there now, and I have these in all over my house. So if you have old foamer bottles, you know, use the soap up and refill them with, you know, the On Guard or Purify or whatever it is that you want to use. And, you know, it's really, really inexpensive. I think a bottle of water is like $1. Yeah, so, I mean, it's really cost effective. I'm not sure how much this bad boy here costs, probably like close to $20. But I mean, you can see, like, I hardly used anything. So, you know, all said and done, this is probably well less than $1. And I can fill it up so many times versus going out and buying something like this that's already pre-made and I'm paying like $4 to $6 per bottle or so. So anyway, enjoy. Have a